Hey y'all, welcome to Honey Dose. Let's try that again. Hey y'all, welcome to Honey Dose. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all having a great day, just like me. Okay, so today we're doing a Domino's mukbang. We got chicken alfredo pizza, and it is so good. Okay, so yesterday I actually digged into it, and this is the second day. So I don't really have a table, so I gotta sit it right here. This is what it looks like. Okay, chicken alfredo pizza is so good. Oh, and I got my water and my blackberry, strawberry, ginger, vanilla smoothie. I'm feeling a little sick. I think I got a little cold, so I'm gonna eat 2 slices of this and my smoothie, and of course drink my water. I had my lemon ginger tea earlier, and I had a cup of black coffee. So yeah, let's get started. I'm telling y'all gotta get chicken alfredo pizza. It is so pretty and good. Green vibes only, luck of the Irish, right? Lucky. I feel lucky, and I never wear green, so I decided to wear green today. Yes, you guys stay hydrated when you're sick. So yeah, I'm sorry I always look that way. It's just I don't have a table in front of me. I'm sitting my stand for my phone to record this video on a table, and I don't really have a table besides this. So I'm gonna dip it in this. Yeah, I'm gonna dip it in this. This is marinara. I used to like ranch, but I like marinara. It's really good. Some would say I'm weird, but I mean, the weirdest people are unique, you know? That crust is good. It tastes like a garlicky bomb pizza, you know? Yeah. I wish I could try this, yeah, I gotta get into smoothies. Usually I have a green smoothie with strawberries or bananas, but I just put blackberries. I never had a blackberry smoothie, so I put blackberries, strawberries, vanilla yogurt, and a little milk. Actually, a lot of milk. But you can't really taste the difference. But yeah. So good. So basically, this was my lunch. I had some smoothie, and it was my lunch. And this is my dinner. I'm eating the rest of this for dinner and some pizza. I'm sorry, y'all, I don't really have anything to talk about. I mean, whatever, it will just come to me, be natural, right? In distress, the Lord will come to you. I got this book, and it's like a prayer book. I got it from when I went on vacation to Florida a couple years ago. And like, it's cool because I was cleaning my room the other day, and sorry, there's like stuff in my teeth. But anyways, I was cleaning my room and I sat like a pile of like paperwork. Well, I thought it was paperwork, but it ended up being this book. And I looked at my bed and I seen it and I was like, that was God. You know, it has like little prayers in there, like paragraphs like talking about the prayers, and then it has little Bible verses. So I'm so glad I picked this up. Excuse me, I'm on page like 40 or 50. Y'all, look at this. Oh, maybe I'll take a thumbnail with it. Oh my gosh, so yeah, like my green eyeshadow, I just put on primer and like built it on. Usually I have this weird thing about chicken, like I have trouble eating it or something. I'm like smacking, bro. And like I ripped my pizza because I like dipping the crust in the marinara. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do my shirt. I'm almost done with it. I'm gonna miss it because that was good. So yeah, I'm wearing green today. Yeah, I just thought I want luck to come into my life. I want to be lucky, like. So that's what I'm showing y'all. I'm showing y'all I'm lucky to have a smoothie. Like, I'm lucky to have pizza. You feel me? I just want more luck to come in my life or whatever. Put a little ginger in here, and I don't know what I think about it. I don't know. So yeah, this video is almost over with. I didn't record a mukbang yesterday because I wasn't feeling it. I wanted to watch this new show on Netflix where they like go to this place and they find somebody to be married on a love blind date or whatever. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I didn't record yesterday. I was watching that on Netflix. But today, I was like, I got a few slices of pizza left. Like, might as well sit down and record a mukbang and vibe with you guys and just be myself. You feel me? So yeah, that's why I sat down and recorded a mukbang. Because for the people that does watch my videos and for whoever's new to my channel, thank you for supporting me and actually, you know, whether you comment, like, or whatever, or even subscribe and like check out my Instagram. Thank you so much, okay? It means so much to me. I thought I just had a hair in my mouth. I hate the sound of me chewing. I hate it so much. And I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I'm a little self-conscious to get on here and like eat something, cause like I hear myself chewing. So when I hear myself chewing, I start like overthinking it, and when I'm chewing, I overthink me thinking I'm chewing or something. So that's why it sounds a little weird, y'all. I'm sorry about that. But I always got my candle going. Ever since I moved my setup, I got a candle going now. Yesterday, when I recorded that cat point of view video, this was what was going on in that video. It's Aromatherapy Love Rose Vanilla from Bath & Body Works. And this is from our own candle company, and it's Snickerdoodle, and I like it. I was recording a point of view cat video yesterday, where it's like, you know, every cat lady's like this, like people say to cat ladies and stuff, so go check that out. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my smoothie. Oh, and I know y'all might like say something about me using a plastic straw, because I know everybody uses metal straws and reusable straws now, but I use these over and over again. I mean, that might be nasty to you guys, but I just drink smoothies out of them, so I don't really think it's that nasty. I'm all done. Oh, I'm like getting full, y'all. I got a couple, probably like 2 more bites left. So let's finish it off. Okay, I'm all done. Let me drink some water, and then I'll keep talking to you guys. So I don't know if I told you this, y'all, but in my Bible study book, it has memory verses for us to remember, and one of the verses was, "Some trust in chariots, some trust in horses, but we trust in the name of our Lord our God." So I was just excited that I remembered that, because I was telling myself it's hard for me to remember stuff, so like to remember a memory verse is really hard. So I'm going to work on remembering another verse. And I'm going to do Bible study, coming soon on my YouTube channel. So if you want to like join me for that, I'm posting this video today. I'm about to go edit it now, because I'm all full. My belly feels warm now. But, so yeah, I'm about to do Bible study on YouTube, and I'm going to get on Live Me, and, yeah, we're just going to do a Bible study and talk about God and everything, so I'm excited, and I might even read some of the prayers in this book. My best friend was like, "What is your favorite prayer?" One of my prayers are about, like, you can wish to God, and you know, he's not a wish master, and he's actually somebody that answers your prayers, and what you wish for can come true if you work hard for it. So and one of the prayers I told her that she should like what I thought about her was like getting through a pit of like despair and everything, and overcoming things is what I thought that she needed to hear, because she can overcome things and you can overcome things, okay? But that's all for this video. Stay hydrated, you guys. Don't just sit there and drink soda all day. Actually, I bought this from Walmart, and I didn't think I was going to use it, but I did use it, and I fill my water up, and it feels good just to know that I drink a whole thing of water or something. Then I can fill it up again. Oh my god, I'm so glad. Sorry, God. I know I say that sometimes. Just get excited. So happy that I recorded this mukbang, even though I was nervous, y'all. I was nervous eating that pizza, to be honest, but I actually enjoyed myself, and I felt more comfortable with y'all than you think. But, thank you for watching, okay? Bye! Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I really rarely ask that on my channel, but you know, I'm sorry my voice sounds like this. I think I am having a cold or something, so I'm gonna make a doctor's appointment. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Honey Nose.